Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents with only 3 uses of this mask, all wrinkles will disappear from your face. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a mask that will assist you in erasing all wrinkles from your face with only 3 uses. You don't need to throw money on expensive cosmetic products that have little to no effects of making wrinkles disappear. This natural recipe can help you much more and in more healthier and safe way. I'm presenting you the recipe for the mask. Steps: steaming, massage, spot treatment. Take towel and soak it in hot water and carefully cover your face with the towel for 2 minutes and then wash your face with normal water. Take sweet almond oil and squeeze few drops of it on your palm. Rub it with your palms and then massage over face with the oil for few minutes. Now take the following ingredients: half spoon camphor, 2 spoon coconut oil, 1 vitamin E capsule. Mix these 3 ingredients. Apply this mixture all over area where you have wrinkles. Massage for 2 minutes. Leave for 20 minutes. Wash it off with cotton pad. Best time to do this treatment is at night before going to bed. Try the remedy and share your experience. I ask you 3 favors: like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.